कार्यक्रम जिसका नाम है खेल खिलौनों का उत्सव। सबसे पहले मैं आमंत्रित करना चाहूँगा जो हमारे अतिथि यहाँ पर हैं और उनको मैं मंचासीन करना चाहूँगा। फर्स्ट हमारे आज के मुख्य अतिथि प्रोफेसर हरिलाल बी मेनन जी से मैं अनुरोध करूँगा कि वो मंच पर आएंगे। एक बार जोरदार तालियाँ। हमारे बीच हमारे गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर श्री विवेकानंदा पाई जी हैं। मैं उनको भी आमंत्रित करता हूं कि वो भी मंच पर अपना स्थान ग्रहण करेंगे। तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए। और हमारे बीच इस कार्यक्रम की अध्यक्षता कर रही डॉक्टर श्रीदेवी जडे जी हैं। मैं उनको भी आमंत्रित करना चाहूँगा कि वो भी आएँ और मंच पर अपना स्थान ग्रहण करें। मैं पुनः अनुरोध करूंगा, जैसे कि हमारी परंपरा है कि किसी भी कार्यक्रम का हम प्रारंभ दीप प्रज्वलन के साथ करते हैं, तो मैं सभी हमारे जो मंचासीन अतिथि हैं मैं उनसे अनुरोध करूंगा कि वो दीप प्रज्वलन करने की कृपा करें। दीप ज्योति परम ज्योति, दीप ज्योति जनार्दन, दीपो हरतु मे पापम, दीप ज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते। शुभं करोतु कल्याणं, आरोग्यं सुख संपदा, द्वेष बुद्धि विनाशाय, आत्मज्योति नमोस्तुते। आत्मज्योति प्रदीप्ताय, ब्रह्म ज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते। ब्रह्म ज्योतिर्प्रदीप्ताय, गुरुर्ज्योति नमोस्तुते। मैं अपने अतिथि और यहाँ पर उपस्थित सभी लोगों के स्वागत के लिए मैं लोशन जी को बुलाना चाहता हूँ। क्या नाम है? करिश्मा एंड लोचना जी को मैं बुलाना चाहूँगा कि एक वो स्वागत गीत से हम सभी लोगों का स्वागत करेंगी।
भाई
स्वागतं शुभ स्वागतं, स्वागतं शुभ स्वागतम्। आनंद मंगल मंगलम्, आनंद मंगल मंगलम्। नितप्रियं भारत भारतं, नितप्रियं भारत भारतम्। स्वागतं शुभ स्वागतम्, अथ स्वागतं शुभ स्वागतम्। नित्य निरंतरता नवता, मानवता सबता ममता। सारथी साथ मनोरथ का, जो अनिवार्य नहीं थमता। संकल्प अविजित अभिमतम्, संकल्प अविजित अभिमतम्। आनंद मंगल मंगलम्, आनंद मंगल मंगलम्। नितप्रियं भारत भारतं, नितप्रियं भारत भारतम्। स्वागतं शुभ स्वागतम्, अथ स्वागतं शुभ स्वागतम्। स्वागतं शुभ स्वागतम्, अथ स्वागतं शुभ स्वागतम्।
Now I would like to invite Mrs. Pavitra NR, which is the principal coordinator for the Festival of Games and Toys, जो कि यहाँ पर हमारा प्रोग्राम क्या है उसकी ब्रीफिंग करने वाली हैं, और साथ में हमारे गेस्ट हैं, सबकी इच्छा है कि हमारे गेस्ट हैं कौन हैं, उनका भी परिचय वो देने वाली है।
Good morning, everyone. I am Pavitra. Myself, Pavitra. Welcome you all to the Festival of Games and Toys held at ISF 2021. It's been about hard work, and most importantly, I would like to say a teamwork of 5 members, organizing members, I would like to name them here, without whom this wouldn't have been easy to happen. I'll start with Mr. Kaustubh Omar, and then we have Mrs. Latika, and then Mr. Ashish, Amay, and Shubhangi ma'am. All these people have been the pillars to make this event happen. So today it's a 3-day session, that is 10th of December, 11th of December and 12th of December. As we all know, as you are present here, we are starting with an inaugural session today. Post the inaugural, we have a small tea break, after which we have a session by Dr. Jayant Joshi C. Actually, he's here among with us. Thank you, sir. His topic is Science Behind Toys. And then in the afternoon session, we have people from IIT Gandhinagar, Mr. Manish Jain and team joining us for homemade toys for teaching. And with that, we end the session for today. But later on, that is for the next day, we have session by Mr. Gopal Khanna, Anantram, Aditendra Jaiswal, again by Mr. Jayant Joshi. And then we have a panel discussion at the last session for 11th of December. On the final day, we have sessions by sports therapist Ms. Mithil Salia, and then we have the star attraction called Deepak's Fab Lab Show by Mr. Prateek and his team members. And then we have bringing innovation culture with the help of coding and AI by Mr. Anurag Gupta and team from STEM Robo. And we finally ended with a valedictory session. I really hope the students who are participating offline will take, try to get a full gist of what is happening here, and you guys will realize how science is not just limited for textbooks and getting marks, but in reality it can solve problems too, but in a very easy manner. So have fun here. So let me get on with the introduction of guest. Am I audible? So I would like to introduce Professor Harilal B. Menon. Thank you, sir. Professor Harilal B. Menon is the 9th Vice Chancellor of Goa University. He was the former Dean of School of Earth, Ocean and Atmosphere Sciences. He has 33 years of experience in teaching and R&D in the optical remote sensing and coastal and estuarine water sciences. And then I would like to move on to Mr. Shri Vivekananda Paiji. He is the National Secretary of Vigyan Bharati and he's an architect by profession. And then finally, we have Dr. Shri Devi Jade, who's head and outstanding scientist of CSIR 4PI. Her major research area is GNSS-based multidisciplinary research. Thank you, ma'am, for being here. The Festival of Games and Toys is being, or CSIR 4PI is the main coordinator for organizing this fest. So as a part of it, we have a small video clip showing that what does CSIR 4PI. 4PI means Fourth Paradigm Institute, and CSIR stands for Center for Scientific and Industrial Research. Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. So we have a small video about 10 minutes to showcase the kind of work we do. Please have a look. Can I have the video, please?
My job is to just give a little bit of introduction on CSIR Fourth Paradigm Institute. which will be followed by a presentation on Himalayan mission by our scientist V. Rakesh, who was also received CSIR Young Scientist Award recently. And then we have one more young scientist, Asha, who just completed her PhD from in domain agnostic AI. So she will give a glimpse on the future of our institute, what is the future path of our institute. Then we have Kirit Kumar, who is the director of GB Pant Institute of Himalayan Environment and Sustainable Development, and he is also nodal officer for Himalayan Mission. I have been associated with Kirit Kumar since 1996. So I have known him for a very long time, and he's been working with our organization since then continuously on different projects. And I extend my warm welcome to Kirit Kumar, and he'll talk about how they have benefited, societal benefit or otherwise, about our work over the past 3 decades. So with this thing, I will start my introductory remarks about. So first I will tell you that we were initially, we are a very young institute. We were established in 1988, July 15th. You know, it is a strange irony that I also joined CSIR service on the same day, in the same year. So my journey with CSIR also, it's kind of I am destined to be associated with this institution. Started the day this institute was founded. It was founded as a CSIR Center for Mathematical Modeling and Computer Simulation. You know, that time, basically that was the in thing. So they wanted this as a small center. It was not a